Hi. What I want to share with you today is, for me, a very personal experience, and I truly feel blessed being here. So where am I? I am at Shar Gaden Monastery, South India. And as some of you may know, and some not, Shar Gaden practices Dorje Shugden. And Shar Gaden was born or established after the split between practitioners and non-practitioners of Dorje Shugden. That is just a little bit of background. But what's more exciting is standing here in front of this holy, 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 and most beautiful in my eyes statue of Dorje Shugden. A little bit of history. Let's go closer. This Dorje Shugden statue is extremely holy because it was handmade by our two lineage masters, the previous His Holiness Kyabje Chujang Rinpoche and His Holiness Kyabje Zong Rinpoche. It is made of clay, and a bit of history was it was made and to be placed at the Gaden Lachi, and what Lachi means is it was like the overall governance, or lack of a better word, but the overall for the Gaden Shakze and Gaden Jangze monasteries, right? So, as you know, due to the conflicts and the ban against the practice of Dorje Shugden, this beautiful statue, this holy statue, had to be removed. And of course, nobody in their right frame of mind would want to destroy something so holy. And so therefore, it was moved here to this chapel. And the exact time, maybe not so sure, but is now placed here in this chapel. And this chapel has 2 floors, and the best part is he's now sitting on the upper floor, the 2nd floor, and downstairs is where the Dorje Shugden oracle used to take trance. And you know, you've read stories and you've heard stories and read articles from His Eminence Tsem Rinpoche about the times when he was close to the oracle and he would go and attend when the oracle takes trance. That all took place downstairs in this wonderful building. And of course, on the left side here is the ladrang of Song Rinpoche, and also where Tsem Rinpoche himself stayed when he first arrived in India. So I just wanted to share that with you, and it's very hard for me to, I know many people say, oh, you're so eloquent, you can express everything, but when something is heartfelt and so holy and precious, I can't find so many words to describe it except what I just said, I guess. All right, so enjoy, and I hope you too will feel blessed as you look at this beautiful statue.